Hello children, welcome back. Today we will learn English grammar picture reading 4. Children, before that I want to ask you one question. Have you seen a railway station? Yes, everyone has seen a railway station. What all you can see in a railway station? We can see trains. Have you seen a train? Yes. Look on your screen. The picture of train is given. And what all you can see in a railway station? We can see platforms. There are different platforms in a railway station. Then we can see passengers. Passengers are the persons who travel by train. To travel in a train, first you have to take a ticket. From where do we get the ticket? We get the ticket from the ticket counter. Have you seen people standing in a big queue to buy the ticket? So now children, look at the picture given on your screen. Now tell me what all you can see in this picture. Yes, you are correct. This picture is of a railway station. In this picture, we can see a platform. We can also see a train. Then what we can see? We can see a lady passenger and a coolie. Coolie is a person in a railway platform who helps us to take our luggage. Then we can see a cleaner. He is cleaning the railway platform. Yes, children, we have to keep our railway station clean. Can you see a dustbin on the railway platform? And what is written on it? Use me. Whenever you go in a railway station, you should throw all the garbage in the dustbin so that we can keep our railway station clean. And what we can see? We can see a bench. We can also see Wi-Fi network. That is the most important thing in our life now. Wi-Fi is available in all the places where we go. Railway gives us the opportunity to use railway Wi-Fi. Then what else we can see? We can see a railway canteen. Railway also provides food for the passengers. So now children, look at the picture and choose the correct answers. Let's read the first question. The time is dash. Option A 11:30, option B 1:30, option C 12:30, option D 4:30. Can you see in the picture the time board? What is the time given in the picture? 12:30. So take the C option and write it in the bracket. Let's read the second question. There is a dash on the platform. Option A bench, option B stool, option C desk, option D blackboard. What you can see on the platform? Bench. So take A option and write it in the bracket. Let's read the third sentence. A man dash a woman are getting off the train. Option A but, option B and, option C or, Option D, so. What will you write here? A man and a woman are getting off the train. So take B option and write it in the bracket. Let's read the fourth question. There is a man with a mop. The word that rhymes with mop is dash. Option A, hope. Option B, most. Option C, mat. Option D, hop. Which word rhymes with mop? Hop. So take D option and write it in the bracket. Fifth question. There is a dash in the picture. We throw rubbish in it. Option A, bag. Option B, bench. Option C, dustbin. Option D, train. So where do we throw the rubbish? In dustbin. So take C option and write it in the bracket. Now children, let's move on to another picture. This picture is of a park. Children, have you ever been to a park? Yes, you have been to a park. So now tell me in this picture what they are doing. We can see a man and a woman sitting on a bench. Then we can see a boy and a girl playing football. Then what else you can see? We can see a lady with a dog going for a walk. We can also see children riding bicycle. One girl has balloons in her hands. We can also see two girls playing in the seesaw. We can see a girl skating. And we can also see one girl doing meditation. Then we can see ducks and fishes swimming, birds flying in the sky. So children, now look at the picture and choose the correct answers. Let's read the first question. There are dash people in the park. Option A 20, option B 21, option C 22, option D 23. Children, count and tell there are how many people in the park? There are 22 people in the park. So take C option and write it in the bracket. Let's read the second question. What do you see in the sky? Option A, ducks, clouds, seesaw. Option B, dog, football, bicycle. Option C, clouds, bench, sun. Option D, clouds, birds, sun. What can you see in the sky? Yes, clouds, birds and sun. So take D option and write it in the bracket. Third question. The old man and woman are sitting on a bench. The plural of bench is dash. Option A, bench, B-E-N-C-H. Option B, B-E-N-C-H-E-S, benches. Option C, B-E-N-C-H-S, benches. Option D, B-E-N-C-H-S-S, benches. So children, now tell me what will be the correct answer. The plural form of bench is benches. B-E-N-C-H-E-S, benches. So take B option and write it in the bracket. Fourth question. What is the word formed when you unjumble LBAOONLS? Option A, BALOONS. Option B, BALLONS. Option C, BALLONS. Option D, BALLON. So what will be the word formed when you unjumble the above word? The word will be balloons. So take C option and write it in the bracket. Fifth sentence, a girl is walking with a dog. The young one of a dog is called a dash. Option A, kitten. Option B, calf. Option C, kid. Option D, puppy. So now children, can you tell me the young one of a dog is called a puppy? So take the option and write it in the bracket. Practice this at home. Thank you.